It's certainly a very nice feeling to wake up in the morning fully refreshed and to be greeted by these beautiful flowers in the lower Seletar reservoir. As you can see, they're so beautiful. They will remain in full bloom until the end of the day, and then the petals will close and they will then fade off. You can see here now that the lilies are beginning to spread across this river. See, more of it coming up now, whereas in the past there was just only one patch. See, there we are. And here, look at that. This river then flows eastwards underneath the Sungei Seletar bridge and joins into the lower Seletar reservoir. This is a very thick jungle at the side of this road. But hang on a second, there's a track that goes in. Let's take a look. Let's walk in and take a look. Let's explore this little track here. There's evidence that somebody has been doing some work here. Okay, some cultivation here. Evidence of habitation. Sugar cane, bananas. Even a clearing here, jungle clearing. The spotted plants. Here you can see a rather pretty plant here. It's obvious that somebody is staying here. Probably he loves agriculture and has no place to do his hobby, and comes and claims this patch of land, completely hidden from everybody, and plants the things that he wants to plant. I guess if I had ventured further in, I would have to say hello to the gentleman inside there. But the curious thing is, how does he get his supply of water in there? Anyway, that's not for me to find out. There you have it. There's a durian tree there, and with some durian fruits hanging up there. Okay, let me get it in focus. Right, here we are. You can still see some durians hanging there. Yeah, so if Michael wants to come and collect them, well, you can show him the place. Here we are. Alright, I think that's about for today. Again, another day with excellent weather, and I'm now approaching the very busy Mandai Sembawang Junction. Signing off. Have a nice day. Bye bye.